Purpose from the Bible. Titus chapter 2, verses 7 to 8. In the same way, encourage young men to live wisely. And you yourself must be an example to them by doing good works of every kind. Let everything you do reflect the integrity and seriousness of your teaching. Teach the truth so that your teaching can't be criticized. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, Ma'am, and all my colleagues. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as Teachers' Day. To start, I request Chairman Sir to light the lamp and garland the photo of Dr. Radhakrishnan. I request our Principal Sir to accompany Chairman Sir. सर आप भी चला मैम कुमकुम आप लगा दीजिए। मैम साइड मैम प्लीज़। Now, I invite Kalpan sir to recite a poem. Please, sir.
Hello, good afternoon all teachers and happy Teachers Day to the principal sir, chairman sir and ma'am and all the teachers. एक छोटी सी कविता है जो मेरे पिताजी ने लिखी हुई है, उसी को मैं अपने प्रथम गुरु जो मेरे फादर हैं उन्हीं को समर्पित करना चाह रहा हूँ और आपके सामने रख रहा हूँ छोटी सी कविता। चंदा नहीं माँ गगन चाहिए, ममता छलकते नयन चाहिए, सूरज स्वतः हूँ तेरे अंक का, सवेरा करूँ वो किरण चाहिए, चंदा नहीं माँ गगन चाहिए। किताबों कलम होंगे भूषण मेरे, जवाहर सी मुझको लिखन चाहिए। Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Very nice poem. To continue the process of sharing, I call our Honorable Principal Sir for the same.
Dear teachers, today I would like to share some of my views, one or two views, which I feel which I have a very strong feeling about it. So though normally we don't find time to thank all the teachers for the wonderful work, 5th September is a perfect day to thank all the teachers for the wonderful work being done. And like one more thing I would like to say that you people, your teachers, are there with us because we trust you and believe in you. Moreover, like in this present situation, we have started with a new system of education. We are able to successfully run this program and implement this program. It's only because of your hard work and your wonderful work. And finally, I would like to thank all the teachers. Teachers means not only those teachers present here, all the teachers who are working in Christ Church Convent and all the teachers who have worked in Christ Church Convent. So today I would like to thank and pay my tribute, and I would like to give my regards to each and every one of them. Thank you. A very happy Teachers' Day.
थैंक यू सर। बंद हो जाएं सब दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं गुरु, सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं गुरु। अब मैं रूपाली मैम को बुलाना चाहूँगी। प्लीज़ मैम।
A very warm good afternoon, sir, chairman sir, and principal sir, and ma'am, and my all wonderful teacher staff. I wish you happy Teachers Day. भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर राजा सर्वपल्ली भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन का जन्म दिवस हम सब शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में 5 सितंबर को मनाते हैं। क्यों मनाते हैं? क्योंकि डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन सर्वपल्ली ने प्रथम मान्यता, प्रथम ऊंचा स्थान गुरु को दिया। गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े, काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपकी, गोविंद दियो बताए। तो गुरु का जो स्थान है वह भगवान से भी ऊंचा माना गया है। मानव जीवन में, हर इंसान के जीवन में शिक्षक की भूमिका बेहद अहम होती है। शिक्षक की सफलता की वह कुंजी है जिसे हमें सदैव संभाल कर रखना चाहिए। अंततः में डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन जी का सुविचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। हमें मानवता की उन नैतिक जड़ों को ज़रूर याद रखना चाहिए जिनसे अच्छी व्यवस्था और स्वतंत्रता दोनों बनाए रहे। थैंक यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।
Thank you, ma'am. Education cannot be completed without participating in informal activities. And for bridging that gap, we ask students to participate in a competition where they are supposed to wish Happy Teachers Day to everyone. Now, मैं अब नीलेश गौरव सर को बुलाना चाहूँगी। वो अपने कुछ विचार राधा कृष्णन के जीवन के ऊपर प्रस्तुत करना चाह रहे हैं।
थैंक यू मैम। चेयरमैन सर, प्रिंसिपल सर, मैम, आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी शिक्षकों को भी शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मैं अपने उन सभी गुरु जिनसे मैंने स्कूल में, कॉलेज में शिक्षा प्राप्त की है, उन सभी को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि उनके कारण आज मैं यहाँ पर इस लेवल पर खड़ा हुआ हूं और अपने विचार प्रकट कर पा रहा हूं। फिर उसके बाद मैं सर का भी धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं, उनसे बताना चाहता हूं कि उनके कारण भी मैं आज यहाँ पर हूं और अपने विचार प्रकट कर पा रहा हूं। 5 सितंबर राधा कृष्णन जी का जन्म दिवस शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है क्योंकि इनका जन्म इस दिनांक को हुआ था। 5 सितंबर 1962 को पहली बार भारत में शिक्षक दिवस मनाया गया था और दूसरे देशों में 5 अक्टूबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्म 1888 के तमिलनाडु के तिरुटनी गांव में हुआ था। सर्वपल्ली नाम इन्हें इनके पूर्वजों से प्राप्त हुआ, जो कि इनका ग्राम था। वह अपने गांव को अपने नाम के साथ जोड़ना चाहते थे ताकि वह सदैव इससे हमेशा जुड़े रहें। तो यही विशेष बातें मैं आपको बताना चाहता था। धन्यवाद। अब मैं आगे के लिए अमिता मैम को यहाँ बुलाना चाहता हूँ कि वह भी कुछ हमें बताएं राधा कृष्णन जी के बारे में। प्लीज़ मैम।
Thank you, sir. Every year on September 5, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is being celebrated as Teachers' Day across the country. Radhakrishnan was born in poor Brahman family in Andhra Pradesh, Tirunthani in 1888. He was a bright student and through scholarship completed his studies. He was a great scholar, philosopher and a Bharat Ratna recipient. Radhakrishnan was the first vice president and second president of independent India. During this tenure as president of India, his students and friends requested him to celebrate his birthday. But he replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day." So since Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on 5 September every year. One more thing which we can't forget about him is that when he became the President of India, he accepted only rupees 2,500 out of rupees 10,000 salary, and the remaining amount was donated to Prime Minister National Relief Fund. We can't forget such a humble man who had devoted his entire life to promoting the value of education. Radhakrishnan is always remembered to make a tribute to his great contribution to the nation. Thank you. Now, I request Honorable Chairman Sir, please come and enlighten us with his words of wisdom.
My dear teachers and students who are virtually observing the celebration of Teachers' Day. As normally we celebrate our Teachers' Day, this celebration is something unconventional. This unconventional celebration was never expected. We never thought we would come into such situation, such circumstances, and such depressed way of our lives. We never thought that uncertainty will rule our lives. Today, we are somehow managing, but with times to come, it would be a depressed situation where the economy is going in minuses. People have no jobs, and those who have jobs, they are losing their jobs. And it's very depressing that inside our hearts, we feel so much, but we are not able to do anything. Each day is passing with difficulty. People are not able to earn money, and how would the life go on? See, we have courage in our hearts, but this courage is going to go down. Whether we are going to drown in the depths or whether we are going to resurrect ourselves from such a situation, it is unknown to us. So though we are celebrating, we miss our children. The teacher has no value if the children are not there. Life has become meaningless without the children. You can just imagine how long this situation is going to continue and keep us alive. Even the governments are unable to do anything. They find no solution. They are only locking us down. By just being locked down, how are we going to earn our money? Simply coming to school doesn't solve our problem. Financially, we are going down and down, and somehow we are pulling on. So it's a very grim situation. Somehow, I hope the gods will have mercy upon us so that we can get out of this grim situation. All the same, I wish all the teachers a very, very happy Teachers' Day. And when I saw some of the videos of our children wishing the teachers, it was really overwhelming. They still remember us, they still interact with us. I am so very, very happy and joyful in my heart. Wish you all the best. Wish all the teachers they come back physically and conduct classes very soon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Before we successfully close today's sharing, I call Leena ma'am for the teacher's place.
Let us say a teacher's prayer and take a pledge. I request all the teachers to stand and repeat after me. Lord, enable me to teach with wisdom, for I help to shape the mind. Equip me to teach with truth, for I help to shape the conscience. Encourage me to teach with vision, for I help to shape the future. Empower me to teach with love, for I help to shape the world. I solemnly pledge to be the best of me. Thank you.